Django-admin, how to display link to object info page instead of edit form in records change list. I am customizing Django-admin for an application I'm working on. So far the customization is working fine, added some views. But I am wondering how to change the records link in change_list display to display an info page instead of change form. In this blog post, frowny face this URL. Extending the Django-admin interface /Tom said. You can add images or links in the listings view by defining a function, then adding my_func.allow_tags equals true. Which I didn't fully understand. Right now I have profile function, which I need when I click on a member in the records list. I can display it, or adding another button called profile. Also how to add link for every member, edit. Redirect me to edit form for this member. How I can achieve that?
If I understand your question right, you want to add your own link to the listing view, and you want that link to point to some info page you have created. To do that, create a function to return the link HTML in your admin object. Then use that function in your list. Like this.
Take a look at this URL, modeladmin.list_display part. It says, a string representing an attribute on the model. This behaves almost the same as the callable, but self in this context is the model instance. Here's a full model example. So I guess if you add these two methods to person and changes person admin to, then you done.
If you want to see more